Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this glueless lace front wig from Luvme Hair. It came inside of this cute little purple box. Now this is the hair straight out of the box. It is their Afro Curly HD lace front wig and it came in the length 16 inches. Now they already did all the hard work for you guys. It already came pre-plucked, which I love, which made this wig so easy to install. Now this is what it looks like on the inside with combs for extra security. I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera, so this is what the hairline is looking like, nice and natural. And this is the hair after I washed it with conditioner. Now this is what it also looks like on my wig head. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take these pins and secure the wig on the wig head just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere, because now I'm just going to go ahead and put some products in the hair to make sure that it's moisturized. First, I'm going to go in with my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. I use this on my real hair and it really keeps my hair nice and moisturized. Then I'm just going to go in with my Lotta Body foaming mousse. I use this on all of my curly hairs. I love how it gives so much moisture. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the hair. Now after I put it in the hair, I'm going to go ahead and add a middle part and take my brush and I'm going to use that to define the curls. I'm not really sure what kind of brush this is. I think it's a detangling brush. I've got a lot of questions about this brush from previous videos, but I'll go ahead and add a link in my description box if you guys are interested in using this brush yourself. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take the brush to define these curls. Now look at these curls, you guys. These curls look so juicy and luscious, and the way that they dry in the end, it looks so good, you guys. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do that throughout the whole entire head. And if you guys made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. I also have a coupon code which will give you guys some money off with just Delania20 if you guys are interested in using it to buy any future purchases at Luvme Hair, which you guys should, because this wig is thebomb.com. So now that the curls are completely defined, I wanted to give you guys a complete 360 of what the hair is now looking like, only with leave-in and foaming mousse. Look at those curls. They look so juicy, and this is what the hair looked like after I let it air dry, maybe for about 30 minutes to an hour. It looks so good. The ringlets at the bottom make the hair look so natural. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take some foundation and apply it to the lace. Remember, this is a glueless lace front wig, so you want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just going to take my foundation shade and put it on the lace. So now you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. Now underneath, I just have my hair pulled back into a ponytail with my wig cap on. Now I'm just sizing the wig up just to make sure that everything is in place and it matches up from ear to ear. So the wig fit pretty okay on my head. It wasn't too big or too small. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a pick and put some volume into the hair. I like my hair to be, or at least my curly hair, to be a little bit on the bigger side. Now you guys can see I'm going to go ahead and do one side and then do the other. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference in one side being bigger than the other, but I definitely like the bigger side than the smaller side, as you guys can see. I'm just going to continue to add more volume into my hair until I am pleased with both sides. Ultimately, I love how soft this hair came out, especially after it dried. Some of the ringlets are still at the bottom, which makes it look so natural. I also love the fact that it's 16 inches. It's not too short or too long. It's like the perfect length for it to look so natural. So now I'm just going to continue to add volume to both sides until I am completely satisfied with the way my hair looks. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start to cut the lace off. Personally, me, I like to start in the front and then go from side to side. It just makes it easier for me. But here I'm just going to go ahead and pull it forward more because I do have a low hairline and sometimes I tend to cut the lace back a little bit too far. So I just had to pull it up a little bit further just to make sure that I don't cut it back too far. So yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and continue to cut the lace off. now that I am done cutting the lace, now I'm going to take the same mousse that you guys saw me use in the beginning of the video, which is Lotta Body, their foaming mousse. I'm just going to go ahead and take that and put it on top of my head. I put it on top because my hair was a little bit frizzy up there, so I just wanted to calm down the hairs. And then I'm also, as you guys are seeing me, put it on my hairline, because just because we're not using any glue doesn't mean that it still can't melt your lace in. I like to use this especially when I'm using or wearing a glueless lace front wig. I feel like the mousse really does melt the lace into your skin. Even though we aren't using any glue, it really does help with keeping the wig down. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pin my hair back, because I'm going to put a little bit of mousse on the edges, even though that's not our main focus. Our main focus is the middle of the hair, which is really going to be showing, but I still like to put it on my edges just to make sure that it holds down just a little bit, just in case the wind blows or anything of that nature happens. And if it does, your hair will still be intact. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my handy dandy headband and tie it around my hairline just to make sure that it is nice and secure. Now when I tie it down, I only tie it down for about like 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, you could go grab a snack, you could go, I don't know, pick up your outfit or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off. Now look how good that wig melted into my skin, you guys. I was so excited. Like, it looks so good. Now I'm just adding a little bit of makeup just to make sure that it blends even better. And yeah, sorry if I'm like steering so close into the camera. I was really focused looking in my mirror behind the camera. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and see you in my next video.